Caring for your dishwasher is about more than just keeping your plates clean. It's about preserving one of the most indispensable appliances in your kitchen. While it quietly takes on the daily load of dishes, grease, and grime, it's easy to overlook the buildup that accumulates beneath the surface. Despite being a machine designed for cleaning, the dishwasher itself needs regular care. Over time, grease, leftover food particles, hard water minerals, and detergent residue begin to collect in hidden parts of the machine. This not only reduces cleaning performance but can also lead to unpleasant odors, cloudy glassware, standing water, and even mechanical issues. 100% free top 10 cleaning products and emergency speed cleaning checklist link in the description, plus bonus you will also get access to our free community made for women. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. A deep clean doesn't have to be complicated, but it should be thorough. Begin by completely emptying your dishwasher and allowing it to air out for a few minutes. Even when not in use, the humid environment can encourage the growth of mold and mildew, especially around the gasket and seals. Next, pull out the bottom rack and inspect the drain area. This is a common spot for debris, bits of food, glass shards, paper labels, to collect unnoticed. These small items may seem insignificant, but they can block water flow, cause drainage issues, and create odors. Gently remove anything you find, being careful not to push it deeper into the drain. Now turn your attention to the filter. Most modern dishwashers feature a cylindrical, removable filter system located at the base. This filter traps food scraps and prevents them from recirculating during a wash cycle. Twist it out and rinse it under warm running water. Use a soft brush or old toothbrush to remove stuck-on debris or grease. The filter has a fine mesh screen. Avoid using anything abrasive. A simple paste of baking soda and water can help lift grime without damaging the material. Keeping this filter clean ensures better water flow and prevents your dishes from emerging coated in residue. After the filter, focus on the spray arms. These spinning arms distribute pressurized water to clean your dishes, and over time their tiny holes can become clogged with food particles or mineral deposits. Most spray arms can be snapped or twisted off easily. Rinse them thoroughly, and use a toothpick or a piece of thin wire to carefully clear any blocked nozzles. When spray arms are clean, water flows freely and dishes come out sparkling. Now it's time to deep clean the interior of the dishwasher. Place a dishwasher-safe bowl or mug filled with 1 cup of white distilled vinegar on the top rack. Run the hottest, longest cycle with the dishwasher empty. The vinegar will steam through the system, cutting through grease, soap scum, and odors. This single step makes a huge difference in resetting the machine and freshening its interior. Once the vinegar cycle finishes, it's time to follow up with baking soda. Sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda evenly across the bottom of the tub and run a second hot, short cycle. The baking soda acts as a natural abrasive and deodorizer, scrubbing away any leftover residue and leaving the interior bright and fresh. It's especially effective at removing discoloration and mineral deposits on stainless steel walls. After these 2 cycles, you'll notice your dishwasher smells cleaner and looks noticeably shinier inside. But don't forget about the parts you interact with every day. Use a soft cloth dampened with warm soapy water or a gentle vinegar solution to wipe down the exterior door, control panel, and especially the rubber gasket that seals the door shut. This gasket often traps moisture and food particles, creating a perfect environment for mold. Carefully pull it back and run your cloth or a cotton swab through the folds to clean it out thoroughly. Avoid sharp tools or harsh scrubbing to protect the integrity of the seal. Check the detergent dispenser and rinse aid compartment as well. If you notice hardened soap or residue, clean them out with warm water and a toothbrush. A clogged dispenser can affect detergent release and leave dishes spotty or unclean. These small components play an important role in every wash cycle, and giving them a quick cleaning helps maintain optimal performance. Once the inside is sparkling, leave the dishwasher door ajar for a few hours or overnight to let the moisture evaporate. This step is crucial in preventing musty smells from developing, especially if the dishwasher won't be used immediately. In humid environments, or if your dishwasher stays closed for long periods, consider placing a small bowl of baking soda on the bottom rack to absorb moisture and neutralize odors between uses. To maintain all the benefits of your deep clean, get into the habit of scraping, not rinsing, your dishes before loading. This prevents buildup without wasting water. Once a month, repeat the vinegar and baking soda cleaning cycle to stay ahead of grime and mineral deposits. If you live in an area with hard water, it's also worth using a dishwasher-safe descaler every few months to protect the machine's internal components. With regular care, your dishwasher will not only run more efficiently, it will last longer, smell better, and consistently deliver dishes that look and feel truly clean. But more than that, there's something satisfying about knowing the machine you trust to clean your dishes is itself clean and cared for. It reinforces a sense of order and balance in your kitchen routine. In the end, this isn't just about maintenance, it's about honoring the invisible workhorses in our homes. Much like a well-seasoned skillet or a favorite kitchen towel, a clean, well-maintained dishwasher becomes part of your kitchen's legacy. It supports your meals, your memories, and your rhythms. And giving it a little attention now and then ensures it keeps supporting you day after day. Click the link below to get your free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and your free Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist. And join our free community,